Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm showing you how, my nighttime routine. And a lot of people have been requesting this on my Instagram. On my tablet here, and oh my gosh, you won't believe how many people are like, "Oh, please do this one. Please do this." And I'm like, geez, okay, I will. So yeah, here we go. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on my notifications. And yeah, let's get on to the video. So first, I exercise. I do 5 push-ups, 5 of these things, and 10 jumping jacks. So here I go. 5 push-ups, here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the mess I know. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Next, I come into the bathroom, get my toothbrush out, and yeah, just basically, brush my teeth. So, I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that I'm done, I'm basically getting some mouthwash. That's good. Okay. Now I wash my face. Now I'm washing my face. Now need to shut the light off. I come over here. Every day I go shopping to get some fake nails or something like that because my nails are very short. So I'll get that money out of the piggy bank. Okay, so I think I want to use $6, 6 cents. Yeah, $5.01 tomorrow for something. So let's see. Have 1 cent. Okay, so I'll make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 501. Okay. So I have enough money for tomorrow. And okay, I gotta put this somewhere safe. How about, oh, right here's a good place. I don't think my dog can get it. Okay. So now I basically just play around for a little bit until the clock turns 9:30 and it's 8:09, so I have a lot of time to play. So basically I'll just play on my computer. Ooh, I'm on the way to go. I didn't see you there. I'm gonna go to bed. Pretty tired, even though it's 8:10. I'm gonna go to bed. So I'm joking, it's actually a 9:30, so I need to take my ring off. So, no one thinks it. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video, and now I'm gonna go to bed. Here's my blanket. Good night. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. And if you guys want to play Roblox or Prodigy, I'm going to put the links down in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and see you guys next time. Bye.